Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make peach and semolina jelly, and let me take you with ingredients so we can get started. We're gonna need some full cream milk liquid, some agar, the China grass, semolina, granulated sugar. This is canned peach. I have drained the syrup from the can, vanilla extract, some water. I'm using a saucepan and I turn the heat on over medium high heat for now. I'm gonna add this water right away. I'm not gonna wait for the water to get boil. I'm gonna add the China grass, the agar, just right away, and we're just gonna let this come to a boil or until all these China grass get melted. We don't see them, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Now that everything has been melted, add your milk and turn the heat over medium low. Mix semolina. Now we have to keep stirring this and let cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and now I'm gonna add sugar and vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. I'm just eyeballing it and give this a mix. And now we're gonna let this cook for another 5 minutes. Okay guys, when my jelly started to boil, this is where I turn the stove off. And the peach, I have set them on a tray, just cut them into slices. If they doesn't come in slices, if they do, then less thing to do. Now make sure you drain all the syrup, and now we're just gonna pour this over the peach. Okay guys, now we're just gonna just leave it as is. Do not touch it. We're just gonna let this set completely, let it cool completely before slicing it. But I want to do something extra and adding whipped cream to it. So this will take about 2 hours, 3 hours to set or cool down completely. And then we're gonna move to the next step. Okay guys, my semolina and peach jelly took me just 2 hours to set, and it is completely cooled down. I just want to go ahead and slice them. Okay, you can do a better job than me. You can just do a nicest squares. Now I just want to add some whipped cream, just for extra flavor, extra look on each squares. You can just do one, or you can just leave it, or you can just do three. Up to you. Okay guys, I just wanna let me just get a slice out from here onto my plate. Let's try this guys. It's a little bit of whipped cream. The peach and the semolina and the whipped cream. What a perfect combination. It tastes super good and it looks beautiful, which I like. I want it to look beautiful. It is so presentable for your guests. If you're having guests, this is a perfect dessert that you can make, and it is super easy to make. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.